So today is a really sunny day and I'm trying out my sun oven. I've got some cakes in there. I'm going to see how well it bakes it. Really sunny day, and we've got it all set up so it's catching the sun. I can see the thermometer rising. I can see the cakes. I've just put in probably the last 5 minutes, and it's supposed to bake for about an hour, but let's see how long it takes the oven to actually bake it. So this is my setup. Put on this sort of top which rotates, so it makes me track the sun easily, you know, wherever it is I move it there. And so I'll come back about an hour's time and see where we are. So almost an hour gone now, and the cakes are looking really good, brown and nice. I'm gonna leave it in there for a little bit, maybe another hour, or see how far it goes, and I'll take it out. Looking great. Close? Yeah. Is it recording? Yep. So this is the final product. It's been there for about 2 hours. So let's see. Come around. Come around here. There you go. I want them to see the back. That's where I'm opening it from. So we're gonna open it. Okay, and that's our cake. Smells good. Nice and brown. This is the ginger cake. Okay, let's take it in. Ooh, it's hot. Right. So let's see if it's done. Oh, well done. None on there. None on the knife. Okay. Ginger cake. Mmm. Yummy. That's it.